temper, like my jealousy, too hot, too greedy.
My name's Maria Hull and I run Maria Hull Noosa Counselling. I specialise in couples therapy. I have developed a 1-hour couples workshop and it's called the Fight Club. It's called the Fight Club because generally that is where couples get stuck and it's not that easy to transition forward. So in this workshop, couples will learn new skills and gain insight about relationships to hopefully help them transition from struggling to thriving. Now, John Gottman, who is a relationship expert in the States, says everything you do for the relationship is foreplay. I hope you can join me real soon. All the details are at my website, counselling@noosa.com.